right, so today is all about our grand plies. Grand plie meaning a large plie. So we're going to extend to the fullest ability possible. Again, I'm starting in first position with my left hand on the bar, and we are going to go through our demi plie all the way on down. Put our heels down and rise back up. Now when we do this, we want to make sure our belly button is in, our tailbone is down, we're nice and lengthened just like we did for our demi plies. And we want to make sure that again, our knees are going over our toes. And it's really important now that we're pulling up out of our hips, because if we sit into our heels and we get stuck, it's going to be a lot harder to pull back up out of the grand plie. So again, we're going down, we go through the demi plie, lift the heels, and press it back down as we rise up. In second position, we actually do not lift the heels. We go as far down as we can and back up. Same thing in fourth. We go through that demi plie, down, heels press back down as we press up. And again in fifth. We go through the demi, all the way down, heels down and back up. We also do our grand plies as well with our jazz classes, and they're really advantageous for those who do hip hop. It's a good way to balance your muscles. So if we're going for parallel alignment, then again we're in first, and we go through the demi plie and we lift up, put our heels down and straighten. In second, same thing. Sometimes we can go for a wider second. It does depend on what the class is calling for. But again, knees stay over the toes. You go through the demi plie. And in jazz and hip hop, we will oftentimes lift the heels up off the ground. Press it down and up. Fourth position, same thing. You go through the demi, down, and fifth position. Just as I did for our demi plie video, I'm going to turn sideways so you can see a different perspective on it. So we have our turned out position. Again, everything is lengthened in our proper alignment. We press down, our heels lift at the last possible moment. The heels lower to the floor as soon as we possibly can as we straighten. Same thing in second. Fourth. And fifth positions. The big goal with our grand plies is making sure that we are trying to get our quads parallel to the floor. So I really encourage our dancers to use the horizontal lines in the studio as a guide, and watch for your legs to become parallel with those. So eyeballing like the bar or any lines on the floor or a windowsill, anything along those lines will kind of help you in guiding your legs and give you kind of a visual to go with it. Sometimes we can't always feel what's happening in our bodies, so we want to actually see it and note how much further we need to go, stuff like that. So thank you for watching, and tomorrow we are going to be breaking down our fondues. I'll see you then.